Gmail looks simple on the surface, but underneath the basic inbox there is a set of features that most users have never discovered. Some of them prevent embarrassing mistakes, some automate tasks you are doing manually every day, and some give you a level of control over your inbox that feels almost unfair once you know about them. In this video, we are going through all of them. Let's get into it. Undo send. The moment you realize you sent an email to the wrong person or with an embarrassing typo is one of the worst feelings in email. Undo send exists specifically for this situation. Immediately after you click send, a small notification bar appears at the bottom left of the Gmail screen with an undo button. Clicking it within the time window recalls the email before it reaches the recipient. By default, this window is 5 seconds, which is not much time to react. Go to the gear icon, select See All Settings, and click the General tab. Find the Undo Send section and change the cancellation period from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. This gives you a much more comfortable window to catch mistakes before they become problems. Save your settings, and the longer window is active immediately. Schedule Send. Schedule Send lets you write an email at any time and have it delivered at a specific future time of your choosing. When composing an email, instead of clicking the Send button directly, click the small drop-down arrow next to the Send button. A menu appears with options for common scheduled times, like tomorrow morning or next Monday morning, plus a custom date and time picker if you need something specific. This is useful for anyone who works outside standard business hours and does not want recipients to know they sent an email at midnight. It is also useful for time-sensitive messages that should arrive at a specific moment, follow-up emails you want to send on a specific future date, and communications across time zones where you want the email to land during the recipient's working day rather than at 3 in the morning their time. Scheduled emails sit in the Scheduled folder in the left sidebar and can be edited or canceled at any time before they send. This is one of the least known Gmail features and one of the most useful for anyone who signs up for services online. Gmail ignores anything you add after a plus sign in your email address. So if your address is yourname@gmail.com, you can give out yourname+shopping@gmail.com, or yourname+banking@gmail.com, or yourname+newsletters@gmail.com. All of these variations deliver to your regular inbox without requiring any additional setup. The practical application is twofold. First, you can create filters in Gmail that automatically label, sort, or archive any email sent to a specific plus variant. Anything sent to your name plus shopping gets automatically labeled shopping and skips your inbox. Second, if you start receiving spam from the sender, checking which plus address they used tells you exactly which service sold or leaked your email address. A related feature that most Gmail users are unaware of: Gmail completely ignores dots in email addresses. yourname@gmail.com, your.name@gmail.com, and y.o.u.r.n.a.m.e@gmail.com all deliver to exactly the same inbox. The practical use case is the same as the plus trick. When signing up for different services, use different dot configurations of your address. If you start receiving spam to one specific dot configuration, you know exactly which service it came from. This also means if someone has your email address written down with or without dots, they will always reach you correctly, which removes a category of email delivery confusion that catches some people off guard. Snooze emails. Snooze is one of the most practically useful Gmail features for inbox management and one of the least used. When an email arrives that you cannot deal with right now but do not want to forget about, hover over it in the inbox. A small clock icon appears on the right side of the email row. Click it, and a menu appears with snooze time options, including later today, tomorrow, next week, and a custom date and time picker. Clicking any option hides the email from your inbox immediately. It reappears at the top of your inbox at the time you chose, as if it just arrived, reminding you to deal with it. Snoozed emails sit in the snoozed folder in the left sidebar, where you can review or unsnooze them at any time. This is the correct way to handle emails that require action at a future point, without cluttering your current inbox or using stars and labels as an imprecise substitute. Confidential mode. Confidential mode lets you send sensitive emails with security controls that standard email cannot provide. When composing an email, look for the lock icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking it opens the confidential mode settings. You can set an expiration date after which the email content becomes inaccessible to the recipient. You can require the recipient to enter a passcode sent to their phone via SMS before they can read the message. And confidential mode prevents recipients from forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading the email content. This is useful for sharing sensitive personal information, financial details, legal documents, or any communication where you want control over who can access it and for how long. The recipient sees the message through a secure Gmail viewer rather than a standard email, and your controls stay in effect regardless of where they try to share it. Advanced search operators. Gmail's search bar is significantly more powerful than most users realize. Combining search operators lets you find any email in seconds, regardless of how large your inbox is. Type #attachment to find every email with an attached file. Add filename :PDF to narrow that to only PDF attachments. Type from a specific email address to see every email from that sender. Type is :unread to see all unread emails across your entire inbox. Type older _than :1y to find emails more than 1 year old. Combine operators by typing them together in the same search. For example, from a sender address, older _than :6m to find old emails from a specific person. These operators work together in any combination and are the fastest way to find specific emails, clean out categories of clutter, and audit what is taking up space in your inbox. Email nudging. Gmail nudging is a feature that automatically moves old unanswered emails back to the top of your inbox with a reminder message, preventing important emails from getting buried and forgotten. Go to the gear icon, select See All Settings, and click the General tab. Scroll down to the Nudges section. Enable both options, Suggest emails to reply to and Suggest emails to follow up on. With these enabled, Gmail surfaces emails you have not responded to after a few days and emails you sent that did not receive a reply, adding a small reminder note alongside them in your inbox. This is particularly useful for anyone who misses follow-ups, because important emails get pushed down by newer incoming messages. Nudging brings them back into view automatically without requiring any manual tracking system. Custom stars and icons. The default yellow star in Gmail is a single priority marker. Most users do not know that Gmail includes a full set of colored stars and icons that let you create a visual priority system far more nuanced than a single marker. Go to the gear icon, select See All Settings, and click the General tab. Scroll to the Stars section. Drag additional star and icon types from the Not in Use row into the In Use row. Options include different colored stars, a red exclamation mark for urgent items, a blue question mark for items requiring clarification, and a green check mark for completed items. Once activated, clicking the star icon on any email cycles through all the enabled markers in sequence. You can then search for specific marker types using search operators like #yellow-star or #red-bang to find emails by their priority level. Reading pane. If you find yourself constantly clicking into emails and clicking back to the inbox, the reading pane eliminates that navigation entirely by splitting the Gmail interface into two panels, similar to how desktop email clients like Outlook work. Go to the gear icon and select See All Settings. Click the Advanced tab and find the Preview pane option. Click Enable and save your settings. A new split view icon appears in the top right corner of your inbox. Click it to choose between a vertical split, where the email list appears on the left and the email content on the right, or a horizontal split, where the list appears on top and the content below. With the reading pane active, clicking any email in the list displays its content in the preview panel immediately without navigating away from the inbox. You can move through emails significantly faster when scanning and responding to a full inbox. Most of these features have been in Gmail for years without any announcement or tutorial pointing you toward them. Undo Send and Schedule Send alone are worth the watch. Start with those two and work through the rest as the use cases come up in your daily email workflow. If this helped, drop a comment below and let us know which feature surprised you most. And for more hidden Gmail and Google Tools guides like this one, make sure you subscribe.